This is our DBMS 2024 project. The task was given to create a clone of a faculty application position site of IIT Indore. We have made this. The maker of these sites are Maulik Jain, CS49, and Nagesh Desai, CS50. So the tech stack we have used here is HTML and CSS with JavaScript as the back for controlling them. And for the backend purposes, we have used JavaScript, Node.js, Node.js with Express, Malter, cores as the files. The database which we have used is MySQL, and for the deployment purposes we have used Docker here. Let me give you a quick show of the site and also show the different functionalities which we have implemented in here. So I've already filled the few data here. Let me give you an example. If in case all fields are not filled, then of course you have to give a prompt to fill them all. Now I would add the password. Since passwords aren't matching, we do need matching password. And here we go. I have randomly filled values in here for using this extension. Since we need some valid name, I might give a name required. Now we can submit in here. If we go backwards, we can of course see that the values are stored here and aren't changed, and this change is also showed in the database itself, that every each information is stored. As you can see, things which could have been grouped in, such as personal information, corresponding addresses, they have been grouped in as a JSON file, so that later we could use them to extract the information that we need to provide that into input fields in HTML. Let me log this out to show you the implementation of login page. Here it is. I will quickly take in the values from here it is. Now we can easily log in and we are back to the page. Of course, from login page we can also go to sign up page, and from sign up page we can again come to login page. This is trivially done through the linkages of the hyperreferencing. I would quickly show how the input works for each of the pages. Here we are randomly adding values here. Overall, the tables are changed to JSON. There is it is done in this manner. The handler.js, we change the tables to JSON. Then in the, let's say for the submit page 2, we call it on the port 8080 with the API named as submit page. That API would first take a value, would send in the request to our app.js, which will later pass it on to that to database.js, and through which the SQL queries would be run, and then finally we would get the result. The response then would be transferred to the handler.js, which would then feed in that backward to the HTML elements. This is done through another function, which is getPage. I am not going in intricacies here since we are showcasing the site itself. Now, so here we go. Let me show you few functionality such as add more, which is and 7 next. This change would be shown here. Screen already observed. Similarly, for all this, I would be filling in the values. You can also observe that by going backwards, we are updating it to the latest value that you have filled before submission. Means after the page 9, you can no longer edit this, since the PDF would be generated, and you have already declared that you have given the best information by your know-how. So here is the major section where the all files are uploaded. I will quickly show you by uploading files here. This test PDFs would be uploaded here, and then this table will be randomly filled by the extension. So this is the final page that will declare, and then this PDF would be generated. You can print this PDF easily with help of print application. That's it. Now let me show you where the data is been stored in here. So here in uploads where the all data is stored locally. Let me quickly go through the schema to show you that how it is working, and for this purposes I would use the ER